Hi, I'm Dr. Noel at Lake Country Health Center. We had a few questions about what a normal exam is like for a patient. So we have Brooke here. How are you feeling today, Brooke?
I have a really tight stiff neck and really tight low back. I have a little one at home that keeps me pretty busy, so
Okay.
definitely need adjustment.
Understandable. All right. Well, I'll have you lay down on the table and I'll take a look and see what's going on. Okay, so first I check the length of the legs, see how the pelvis is aligned. We do activator pressure checks. Push the pelvis in the line of correction. It helps give a secondary check before you adjust. And you see how the SI motion is. You can see this one's a little bit locked up because both feet will move. We're going to just go through the back. Feeling for any joint restrictions. Brooke, let me know if anything's bothering you as I'm pushing on your back. Right there. Right there too on your neck. All right. So to get started, Brooke, have you lay on your side facing me. Good. Got your pelvis there. All right, I'll have you flip over and go face down one more time. And we'll get your upper back. Arms hang down. Perfect. Excellent. All right, Brooke, I'll have you come over here in the chair and we'll adjust your neck. I know you said your neck feels very stiff. Are you noticing it more kind of the base of your neck or up by the base of your skull?
Kind of up high and down in
Okay.
some places.
Okay. How's your daughter doing?
She's good. She's a 2-year-old almost.
Good. Excellent. How are you feeling, Brooke?
Good.
Very good. All right, so have you move your neck around, see how it feels?
A lot later.
Excellent. And that is what you can expect from a normal adjustment. Thanks for tuning in and see you guys later. Bye.